Okay, good afternoon folks. It is the 13th of June 2010. Just going to take a look at the outlook for this US dollar, Canadian dollar for the week ahead and what we've done in the past week. Again, this one, like the pound Swiss franc, is causing a few problems here. It's looking a bit sort of undecided from my side anyway. We're all the way back down to that 1.0270 support sort of area where we did find support before. The 242 is the monthly level, and it looks like we're going to more than likely anyway at the moment fail that monthly level to the close again. I mean, the only thing that I can really see on this whole kind of pair is the fact that we've made a thrust bar on the monthly, so we're possibly just covering some of that bar before we have a bounce and kick on from there. But I mean, in terms of the daily chart, we're bullish because we've broken the upper bat resistance level there. We've been through the trend continuation point already. We've come all the way down to the 50% retracement stop loss level. So I mean, that pretty much voids this trade as well. So we really need to see it come all the way down now to the 0.9995, basically the parity level. Now basically to get any kind of signal again here on this pair, unless we even get a count. But you can see there's been no counts for a while now in the daily chart because the price action's just been so wild. We did kind of we removed this thrust level here to the close, and there was a few 5-minute setups here at the lows. Then we closed back above, and then the following day we just burst back down, and for the rest of the week just remained bearish. So yeah, it's quite a kind of undecided pair for me at the moment. I'd like to just sort of stay away from this pair and see how things go. We're actually going to post a bearish outside bar this week, so long as we stay below 1.0332 on the weekly. So the hours trading that we have on tonight, as long as we stay below that 332 level, which is 10 pips away from where we are at the moment, then we will complete a bearish outside bar, which is not a good sign for this market at all. So it means that we could actually start to head lower again. I was trying to find the last sort of bearish outside bar. I think it's been a while since we actually posted a bearish outside bar in this market on this daily chart. Going back, it's probably here was the last bearish outside bar we had. Retraced some of that, but we had a sort of a move down from there. Prior to that, that's not one. Yeah, I mean, we got to go a long way. There's not really many bearish outside bars here on the daily chart. Possibly this one. There's one there. So I mean, you can basically see the few that I've managed to find, and there's not been many recently, have proved to be quite accurate in predicting. There's one there, that's a good one there. There's another one there, which is actually a TDF bar, which is a superb signal. So two bearish outside bars there. Yeah, so I mean, basically the last sort of 3 or 4, 5 bearish outside bars have proved to signal a sort of a period of weakness in this market. So I mean, that's really the only thing we can take from this at the moment here on the weekly chart. And like I say, on the monthly, we have made that thrust bar, but again, just the whole kind of picture has been on this pair. It's been a hard one to trade recently, and certainly looking at that daily and looking at that weekly, I would just stay away from this pair at the moment until we can see some further developments. Okay, cheers.